Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to make your own MREs today. I bought these bags off Amazon, Mylar bags, and they're the same as you get your camping meals in. So I've put 250 grams of rice in here. I made some chili con carne earlier, so see. So just put it in, put the rice in earlier, they go cold, and I put about 300 grams of chili. You need to make sure there's no sauce or anything, because when you seal it, it'll stop it from sealing. So yeah, it's clean. Some of the arrows. This has got one click seals on it, but I'll seal that first. The block bag, that's what I mean. Yeah, sorry. And, right, so that's done. Now, I bought this off Amazon, the sealer, so you need to put this in its spot and then hold it down. That's not hot enough, so I need to turn it up a bit. Perfect. This chili con carne I made earlier at Costa, the mint and the sauce and kidney beans, it cost me about £5 or so. So I've got about 4 meals out of it, so that's about £1.25, that's in the bag is 25p, so that's like £1.50 for the chili con carne ready to MRE, and when you're paying about 7-8 quid online to buy it. So thank you, I'll see you soon, bye.